Hello friends, and welcome to Kendra's Makeup Academy, where today I'm going to teach you how to use a beauty sponge.
Why is it larger when it's wet? Why do I want it wet? What are all of these rules? And how the hell do I use this sponge?
I'm here to help you. They come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes and colors. This is mine. It's called a Blenderful sponge, and it's from LimeLife by Alcone. It's the only makeup sponge that I know that comes with its own purse. Get your sponge wet, and while you're wetting it down, clean it. I usually keep some sponge cleaner right next to my sink, so I clean it every time I use it. Maybe that's why I was getting so many zits. Maybe. You can use it with any kind of foundation. I have a cream foundation that I'm using. You've got it wet. Then after you get it wet and clean, you're going to wring it out and then take like a paper towel or a washcloth or something dry in your bathroom and give it another squeeze. This is going to make sure that it is just damp and not wet. Apply with a bouncing motion. Here's the magic of a sponge. These makeup sponges are going to give a really skin-like appearance, so it's not going to look caked with makeup. It's gonna look more like skin. If you have places with larger pores and you want to make sure that they are smoother, give your sponge a press and roll. Can we just take a minute to appreciate the difference here? If you do want heavier coverage in certain areas or all over your face, the sponge makes it really easy to layer and to thicken that foundation up if that's what you want to do. Side note, if you're wondering why my foundation is so much lighter than my face, I have this really fun thing where my face is about 2 shades darker than my neck. So I match my foundation to my neck instead of matching it to my face. And now for level 2. Let me show you another cool trick that you can do with the sponge. You can actually set your makeup with a good makeup sponge while it's damp. Yes, while it's damp. Take your sponge, put it into your setting powder, bounce with me. If you have problem areas with large pores, that press and roll motion works really well. All right, now back to the purse. Why have a purse? Your damp sponge now needs to dry. Your sponge purse is a great place to let air still get to it without having it get gross and dirty from being in your makeup bag or on your counter. And I have a cat that thinks makeup sponges are toys. So now it's good until tomorrow when you're going to get it damp and clean it before using it again. Thank you for attending Kendra's Makeup Academy, and I hope to see you next time.